I would say also you need to teach yourself joy. How do you do that? Okay, well, I'm going to read the words of a wonderful writer, Barbara Kingsolver, who says, in my own worst seasons, and by the way, writers and creative people have 6 or 7 times the depression that the regular population has. So you may or may not be a very creative person. If you're on this, you probably are a creative. But Barbara Kingsolver says, in my own worst seasons, I've come back from the colorless world of despair by forcing myself to look hard for a long time at a single glorious thing. A flame of red geranium outside my bedroom window. And then another, my daughter in a yellow dress. And another, the perfect outline of a full dark sphere behind the crescent moon. Until I learned to be in love with life again. Like a stroke victim, retraining new parts of the brain to grasp lost skills. I have taught myself joy over and over again. And I would say, when you have time, and if this is a good exercise to do every single day of your life, write down 2 or 3 things every day that you noticed are beautiful. Spend the time to install that, think about it, savor it,